Welcome back to Kid TV!
We are here to learn and play in a bright and happy way. Phonics fun for everyone. Learning sounds is so much fun. Jump up high and spin around. Listen to the magic sound.
A, B, C, and X, Y, Z. Read the words and you will see.
Open wide and say ah ah. A is for apple, red and sweet, such a yummy crunchy treat. A is for astronaut in the sky, floating past the moon so high.
Make the sound open wide. Let the A sound come outside. Ah, 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 we know the sound. Stomp your feet upon the ground.
Boo boo boo. Bounce along with boo boo boo.
B is for hobo. Bounce it low. Watch it move. Watch it go.
B is for big and B is for bear. B sounds popping everywhere. Bouncing B is fun to do. I can say it, so can you. Don't keep it in, let it pop. Bop, bop, bop. Don't ever stop. Now let's mix the sounds we know, put them in a little row. C and A and T are here. Bring them close, bring them near. Q is first, then A, then tu. Say them fast, don't say do. C-A-T spells a cat.
Meow, meow, meow.
Says the cat, wearing a silly little hat. C-A-T, but wait and see. Boo and ah, egg to make bat, just as easy as a hat. Don't say poo, ho, nay, that is wrong. That does not belong in our song.
PH sounds like F-U-C. Phone is right for you and me. Koonie. Silent K is hiding there. Don't say coo, just show you care.
Look at my K and E-E, but the K is silent, you see. So we just say N. You did great, you're a star, best learner by far.
Phonics fun is done today, but tomorrow we will play.
See you soon, goodbye Lagoon. Goodbye friends, for cat, C is for car, C is for cookie, wherever you are. A is for awesome, ah.
P is for pink.
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
It says C-A-P. Reading is magic.
Reading is fun. Let's try another one. Ha,
Everyone. La, la. Letters make sounds.
B, boo.
E,
C, coo. Listen close. Let it see L-K. D, lap your hands.
It says P-I-C.
Marching, marching, 1, 2, 3. Look at the happy panda and me. We're holding up the PIC for you to see. Blending sounds, you're doing